What's up? Just checking in real quick. Me and the boys woke up a little cold last night. The heater wasn't working, but we slept okay. They're up here watching some movies and playing some games. I'm down here to make some pancakes and bacon and coffee, and then we're gonna eat some breakfast on my coffee, and we'll be outside playing in the stream, hopefully doing a little bit of fishing. Can't wait. But this is already made bacon, so I just have to heat it up. It's a lot less messy. Pre-cooked bacon. This is the pancakes you get it from Target. You just add some water and mix it. Pour it in. Quick and easy, less mess. Little camping tricks. And we also have cereal. I always get this for the boys. Little multi-pack of cereal. If I'm gonna get cooking, I gotta flip this pancake before it burns. I'll get back to you. So pretty. Hold on, Noah. Wait up. There's fish over here. Hold on, keep going. Go a little bit further. Is this awesome or what? Okay, stop right there. Hold on. Alright, just check it in real quick. We're walking up a trail that goes up to the dam. I'm not sure how far the dam is. Hold on. I'm not sure how far. No, hold on, wait. The kids are excited. So we went up the trail. It's a beautiful trail. I mean, look at this. Beautiful trail. You're right next to the stream. You really can't beat this. This is amazing. But we're gonna do a little bit of fishing. The boys might get in the water a little bit up here. It looks like there's some fish in the stream here. Hopefully they're trout or something. Hold on, no. But I just want to check in real quick. We're gonna do some fishing. All right, I'll get back to you. Gotta pull it. Oh, did it get stuck already? Pull. That one doesn't float. You gotta pull it, puppy. Pull. Did it get stuck? Keep pulling, don't let it get in the rocks. You gotta pull it all the way out. Let me adjust it, hold on. Alright, kind of got to this point where the tree fell on the trail. There is a way around it, but you guys want to try to go over? Okay, come on. I'm gonna try to go over. Try to find the trail on the other side. Okay, come on, Bash. There's no snake.
Papa.
Go forward. Okay. Ready?
I'm ready.
Here, give me this. And try to jump down as safe as you can. Maybe sit down a little bit.
I'm gonna, if I see an ant, then I'm gonna get it. Ow.
I know, it's just a little scratch.
No, it's a giant. Look at this giant tree.
This one fell over, huh?
Because it was just a giant.
It's split in half. That's crazy.
It was so giant.
Here you go. Wait, no, wait. That's crazy.
All these trees are wild. It's just like that tree. That tree is so wild. Okay, so the guy said that.
2 minutes is a good spot.
Yes, and
Chop.
there's people there. Look at this giant tree, guys.
Whoa. See all the rocks that got stuck in it as it was growing? Let's look this way real quick. There's a little trail this way.
There's a mosquito. Oh, that was a plant.
There's the trail.
Remember? Ew.
It's just mud. It's okay.
Can I wash my hands in there?
Yeah. Go right over here. Catch us some dinner, Bash. Try to catch us some dinner. You know, I don't know how to cook fish. Oh, too far. Don't get stuck. No, let me see, let me see, let me see. You did too good of a job. Damn. Big cat. Come on. You guys walk in front of me.
Bobcat.
Big cat. No, just walk in front of me. Go. We gotta walk fast. The last one's up here. Hold on, no, not that fast. Oh, it's over here. Okay, jump over there. Alright, just checking in. We made it up toward the dam. Tried a little bit of fishing, but we broke our lure off in a rock. Now we're just heading back in this beautiful, beautiful forest scene that we have. Let me show you. Oh, it's starting to sprinkle. It's sprinkling, let's walk faster. So we get all soaked. Yep.
Can we ask one of the people to take the mountains that is those a store here?
Storm?
Oh,
There's no stores here, buddy. Left, no. almost there. Got a little sprinkle going, so we're gonna pick up the pace a little bit, walk a little bit faster. Ooh, go fast, walk. Yeah, just go straight. Oh my gosh. Watch out for holes. Yep. Go right. Oh, hold on. This way, this way, this way. People went around it. I'm coming. It's only a little sprinkle. It's not like rain yet. Hopefully we make it back before it goes rain.
Do we have soda?
No.
Chum.
You guys have water.
I already had water. I had a bunch of water.
Right, I'm just checking in. We had some dinner, some hot dogs, chili dogs. Now we're all just kind of chilling. Went on a nice, decent little walk up the stream. Saw some beautiful stuff. Tried to fish a little bit. Now we're just relaxing. One of my boys is up in the top watching an iPad, watching a movie. The other one's on the hammock. The little one's right there watching a movie in the hammock. Sun's about to go down. Beautiful day out again. Beautiful afternoon. And then we got to get settled in, and I'm going to start cleaning up and prepping for tomorrow. We're going to try to leave early tomorrow. So anyway, just want to check in real quick. Been a good little camping trip. 3 days, 2 nights. The third day we're going to try to leave early. Try to get out here early tomorrow. But anyway, I just wanted to check in. Thanks for joining me again. We'll see what happens later on today. Either that or you'll see me tomorrow. Alright, bye. Ooh, that fish just jumped. And I can't catch one, but they're flying in the air. So weird. Alright, catch you later. It's okay.
Too much people here, right?
No, it's actually kind of nice.
No,
With other people.
what the heck? They look too
Sometimes it's nice with no people, and sometimes it's nice if there's people. Because at least you guys got to see a couple dogs, huh?
Oh yeah, cats. Look at that tiny. Oh, look at the tent.
It's a big tent.
And look at the swamp. It has another city in it.
Little city.
Look it. See? Do
Yeah.
you see the little city on the truck?
There's a store a bunch of stuff. Oh, this is cool. Bunch of people camping.
At the pit. Oh, look at that little thing right here.
Oh, watch out where you walk. Make sure you don't fall.
That's a little truck. That sends a tiny truck.
Probably goes through all this stuff easy, huh? Look
Maybe
at the
it's a
beautiful flowers. Look like they're
I'm
almost,
gonna kill one.
they're almost dead already. Springtime's ending. Come on. Does people walk across the river?
Wait, people walk across the river.
Oh, these pretty colors.
There's too much rice right here.